Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add tabs in Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically after you open or you connect into your Salesforce organization, all you need to do is just to go to this pencil icon that will allow you to personalize your nav bar, and from here you will be able to start adding your tabs. So basically we click, and here as we can see there is home, leads, accounts, etc., and they are the tabs that we are seeing here. And basically if we want to add ones, all you need to do is just to add more items or start changing from here. So for example, I have home as the first one. I'm going to make it as the last one as a demonstration, and I'm going to click on save. So as you can see now, I'm having home that has been replaced as the last item. Now I'm just going to add more items, and we can search for any other items that you would like in your organization or from your objects. So here, for example, let's just go for this executive sponsor, and I'm just going to click on add one item, and here it is as the last one. I'm just going to make it as the first one, and I will go back and make home as the first one again. So I'm just going to click on save, and basically now I'm having this tab that has been added successfully. As you can see now, we are just waiting for it to load, and now I'm having my tab here. Of course, you can also start changing from here. I can personalize it. You can give it another name, uh, something, name, and basically we will just click on save. Of course, we need just to click save, and here we will see that you can even change the name of your tabs. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.